Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today we have a nice Harvard University admission problem. So that is 27 to the power 5 plus 27 to the power 4 plus 27 to the power 3 plus 27 squared plus 27 to the power 1 that we have to simplify this problem, evaluate this problem. So without using any calculator here we have our solution that is 27 to the power 5 can be written as 27 to the power 4 plus 1. Here we have 27 to the power 4. We can write as it is 27 to the power 4. Here we have 27 cube can be written as 27 to the power 2 plus 1 and plus 27 squared is 27 squared plus 27 to the power 1 we can write 27. So here we have it is our first step. Now according to algebraic identity, this can be written as we know that a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. So here we have 27 to the power 4 times 27 to the power 1 plus this 27 to the power 4, and here we have plus 27 squared times here we have multiply by 27 to the power 1 and plus 27 squared plus here we have 27. So our next step will be it is our first term and it is our second one. So here we see that 27 to the power 4, it is common term here. So 27 to the power 4 taking common, here we get 27. So it is 27, and here we have, so it is our first term here. Here we get 27 to the power 4 is common. So we get 27 and plus here it is 1, and from this one we are going to take that 27 square is common, so we get 27, and here we have that is 22nd square is common, so we get plus 1. Now plus 27. Now our next step is 27 to the power 4 times 27 plus 1 is 28, and plus here we have 27 squared times 28 and plus 27. Now from this one we see that 28 is a common term, so taking 28 outside bracket we get 27 to the power 4, and here we have plus 27 squared plus 27. Now 28 times, if we just take 27 squared is common here, then we get 27 squared plus 1 and plus 27. Now 28 times this 27 squared, we just multiply 27 times 27, so we get that 729. Here we have 729 times 27 squared is also 729 plus 1 and plus 27. Now our next step is 28 times 729 times 729 plus 1 is 730 and plus 27. Now this 729 can also be written as 700 plus 29, and similarly 730 is written as 700 and plus 30. Now for our convenience we just write 28 times this 700 plus 29 times 700 plus 30, and here we have plus 27. Now our next step will be here 28 times, if we just multiply, it is 700 by 700 we get That's 700 squared. Here we have 700 squared and plus this 700 times 30. So we just write 700 times 30 and plus 29 times 700 and plus 29 times 30 plus 27. Now our next step will be 28 times here 700. First of all, we just write 4 zeros here and 7 squared is 49. So we get this one 49 and with 4 zeros plus here 1, 2, 3 zeros. We just write here 7 times 3 is 21 plus here we have 2 zeros and if we multiply 29 times 7, so we get 7 times 9 is 63, 3 carry, 7 times 2 is 14 and 6 is 20. We have 2300 and plus here we get 0, 3 times 9 is 27, 2 carry, 3 times 2 is 6 and 2 8. We have 870 and plus 27. Now this 28 times here we are going to add all these numbers. So first of all we write here that 49 with 4 zeros 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now it is 21,000, that is 21 1 2 3 zeros. Here we have 2300, so 2300 and it is 870. Now adding all these numbers we get here we have 0 and then 7, 8 and 3 11, 1 1 carry, we get 1 and 1 2. Here we have 9 and 4 13, 3 1 carry, 4 and 1 5. So we get 532170. So 532170 and it is 27. Now this 28 can also be written as 20 plus 8 times this 532170 plus 27. Now multiplying this 20 with this one, we get 20 times 532170 plus 8 times 532170 plus 27. Our next step is here we have to multiply this one. So here it is our first and it is second 0. Now 7 times 2 is 14, 4 1 carry, 2 1 is 2 and 1 3, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6 and 5 times 2 is 10. We have 10 64 3400 plus if we multiply this 8 with this term, first of all we have to put 0 here. So 8 times 7 is 56, 6 is carry here, 8 1 is 8 and 5 we get 14, we get 13, 3 1 carry, 8 times 2 is 16 and 1 is 17. We have here 17 7 1 carry, 8 times 3 is 24 and 1 25, 5 2 carry, 8 times 5 is 40 and 2 42. We have 42 57 360 plus 27. Now we have to add all of these numbers. So we get here we have 7, so it is 2 and 6 8, so we just put 8 here. Now our next number is here we have 3, so it is 4, we get 7 and then 0, again 0, then 9 4 and 1. So it is our simplified form of this problem, that is 14,900,787. So it is our simplest form of this problem. I hope you have understand all these steps. Now it is our entire solution without using any calculator here. So this term is equal to, that is 14 million 900,787. It is our final answer. I hope you have understand all these steps. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.